Hi, in this video I will show you one binary indicator that will work 70%. So this is not lagging indicator, this is a purely VSA strategy. Okay. Uh, for more information please contact my telegram description in I will put the telegram link in description, so you can contact me. I will show in live market. Okay, see this video. You can see here I will start replay bar. You can see arrow mark with like this arrow mark. Okay, these are the signal. This is actually 5-minute chart. This is a ninja trader. So this is a bell tipo indicator. See here I will use this indicator for binary option. See, I will start replay. You can see here. So when bar closed, the market will give some signal buy or sell signal. So I will not actually go for buy signal in this. Only I will look for this arrow mark. You can see when arrow mark will appear, I will buy for 5-minute in Binomo. So I will speed up replay. So only look for arrow mark. For more information please contact my telegram, link in video description. So you can see there is a buy signal. You can see next candle will buy. You have to put 5 minutes. See, next candle buy. This is not lagging indicator. This is a purely volume spread analysis. You already, I think so many people heard about VSA strategy. So this indicator will work based on VSA. We have to wait for this type of arrow mark. See here. Also this will give demand overcoming supply, shakeout, no supply there is. So I will go next to sell here because there is a sell signal. See here. I will not go this buy. Okay. You have to only wait for buy sell signal here. See here, this is a buy signal. So I will not go here buy. I will not go sell here because when I will sell here. So one is fail here. You can see one signal will fail here. Only one signal. I will sell here again. I will not sell here. I will not sell. Okay. So now only one signal failed here. Other signal are passed. I will not sell here because in the sell arrow there is a sell bar also. I will not buy here. I will sell here. No, I will not sell here. I will sell here. See here, worked. See here, market date is this December. I will buy here because there is a buy signal. You can see so many signal will work. Okay, this is purely VSA strategy, not a lagging. I will sell here. See, worked. If you cursor this arrow mark, you can see there is a give some information in this line. You can see that give no supply. But so many people will lose in binary trading so much amount because there is no consistency strategy there. So for more information, contact in my Telegram. I will give some signal in VIP group. Okay, simply go to description. There is, I will give a Binomo link. Create account and send created account ID. I will add in VIP group. Otherwise, you can pay per monthly 2000 rupees per VIP signal. Okay, daily I will give 1 hour signal. 4 to 5 signal I will give. Okay, within 1 hour. Daily 1 hour. For more information in this video, I will give some links. So you can see there is no signal. This is not actually sell signal. I sell here. Always you have to enter some retracement candle. Okay, because binary, you know, binary is you have entry point is very important in binary option. That's why I'll choose a 5-minute time frame. You can wait and take a perfect entry in 5 minutes. See, you can see so many winning signal available here. That's why I replay the market. So see here. See, there is no signal yet. I will sell here. Pass. There is no signal yet. I will sell here. I will sell here again. One signal failed. I will sell here. See, sell happen. I will buy here. I will buy here again. You can see in I will sell here. See here. I think this is actual news. I will buy here. See, work. I will sell here. I will sell here. But failed. The signal failed. I will sell here. No, I will not sell here. No, I will not sell here. See actually how it will work in live market. I will buy here because there is a buy signal, but failed. I will buy here. See how this actually work. will speed up. For more information, contact me Telegram. Thank you.